Installing new windows is a significant investment that can improve the comfort, energy efficiency, and aesthetics of your home. However, like any home improvement project, it can go wrong if not done properly. In Slidell, where the climate can be humid and unpredictable, making sure that your windows are installed correctly is essential for long-term durability and efficiency. Homeowners often make some common mistakes during window installation that can lead to costly repairs, inefficient windows, or even safety hazards. Here are some of the top mistakes homeowners make during window installation and how you can avoid them. Choosing the wrong window type. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is selecting the wrong type of window for their home. Not all windows are created equal, and each type has specific advantages and disadvantages depending on your needs. For example, double-hung windows are a popular choice in many homes, but they may not be the best option for areas with high humidity, like Slidell, where moisture can lead to mold or wood rot. Similarly, choosing windows with poor energy efficiency can make it harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature, leading to higher energy bills. To avoid this mistake, take the time to research different window types and materials. Consider factors like the climate, the specific room where the window will be installed, and your budget. Consulting with a professional installer in Slidell can help you make the right choice. Improper measurement and sizing. Window installation requires precise measurements to ensure the window fits perfectly in the opening. Many homeowners make the mistake of not measuring their window openings correctly, which can lead to ill-fitting windows. If a window is too small, it may leave gaps that can cause air leaks, moisture infiltration, and reduced energy efficiency. If it's too large, it may need additional modifications to the surrounding structure, adding unnecessary costs. Hiring a professional installer who is experienced with Slidell's specific climate conditions can ensure that the measurements are accurate, avoiding the need for costly adjustments later on. Always double-check measurements before ordering windows to ensure a proper fit. Skipping the weatherproofing step. Slidell is known for its heavy rainfall and high humidity levels, which can affect the integrity of your windows if not properly sealed. Homeowners often overlook the importance of weatherproofing during the installation process. Failing to seal gaps around the window frame can lead to water infiltration, mold growth, and structural damage over time. Additionally, inadequate weatherproofing can result in higher energy costs, as air leaks can make it harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Make sure that your windows are properly sealed and weatherproofed. This includes applying flashing around the window, using high-quality caulking, and ensuring that the window is securely anchored in place. Proper weatherproofing will help protect your home from moisture damage and improve the energy efficiency of your windows. DIY installation without expertise. While DIY projects can be a fun way to save money, installing windows without the proper skills and knowledge can lead to disaster. Many homeowners underestimate the complexity of window installation, which requires specialized tools and expertise to ensure a secure, long-lasting result. DIY installations often result in improperly fitted windows, which can cause issues like drafts, water leaks, or even windows falling out of place. If you're unsure about your ability to handle the installation, it's always best to hire a professional window installer. They will have the necessary tools, expertise, and experience to install your windows correctly and efficiently. Professional installation also ensures that your windows are covered under warranty, offering you peace of mind in case any issues arise. Ignoring local building codes and regulations. In Slidell, like many other areas, there are specific building codes and regulations that govern window installations. These codes are in place to ensure the safety, energy efficiency, and durability of the windows. Homeowners who neglect these codes may face penalties or have to redo the installation to comply with local laws. Before beginning any window installation, it's essential to familiarize yourself with the building codes in Slidell. Working with a licensed installer will ensure that all regulations are met, reducing the risk of any legal or financial repercussions down the road. Conclusion: proper window installation is crucial to the safety, energy efficiency, and comfort of your home. By avoiding common mistakes like choosing the wrong type of window, failing to measure accurately, neglecting weatherproofing, attempting DIY installation, and ignoring local building codes, you can ensure that your new windows perform optimally for years to come. For homeowners in Slidell, investing in professional installation is a wise decision that will protect your home from the elements and keep your energy costs in check.